Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I am back out here in the mountains in southern Arizona, and I'm on the Trail 125. Just going out and exploring some different trails, playing in the rocks it looks like. Where does that one go? Can I make that? Why, sure. Like gangbusters. Mountain up there, pretty cool. So what I'm videoing with, so you'll know, is the DJI Action 6 right here. And the one rounded up on the front right here is the DJI Osmo 360. And works pretty good. I'm using the DJI Mic 3, that's the audio you're hearing, so it connects wirelessly and it just sticks. I put a magnet inside my mouthpiece here and it just sticks to that magnet. So it's just really simple to use. No wires, no fiddling with all that junk and connections and all that. You just connect the mic to it and you don't have nothing to worry about. You have perfect audio. This is kind of a different trail. You can't go too fast on Trail 125 through this rough stuff. It's not like it's got suspension made to hit stuff too hard, but I guess you can, but I don't want to go fast anyway. I want to look around out here and explore, and my favorite exploring bike is this little Trail 125. It's not my favorite bike. 300L would probably be my favorite bike, but as far as exploring, this is the best one to go exploring trails. Except when you get in the mountains too steep, there is times where this little bugger just won't do it. It's just too much for the Trail 125. Too rough, too steep. No idea where this one's going to go. But we're going to find out. I can guarantee you that. Was that another one? No, I guess not. It's pretty rough and rutted here. But I'm glad y'all came along for the adventure today, because I just never know what I'm going to get into. I hope you all are being able to get out. A lot of people I know are snowed in. It's super cold. I know it's cold back in Missouri where I came from. I don't miss that one bit. It's this whole week, actually 15-day forecast that I looked at shows 70s, or some days it's even going to get up like 79, 80 degrees. So yeah, this is incredible weather here in Arizona. We've not had no cold weather yet, but we hardly ever do. It might get cool at night. One night it got down to 32. Trying to go around about half of these rocks maybe. Look at that big old rock. Try to find a way around it. Oh, it ends right there. Little turnaround spot. That sucks. I figured it would. Look at that rock. It'd be cool if it went all the way up there. But you wouldn't be able to climb it. You wouldn't be able to climb that on nothing. Oh well, we'll turn around here. It's cool to come check anyway. I figured there was a little spot. When you start heading toward those mountains, I mean, it's going to stop. There just ain't no way that you're going to climb those mountains unless there's a road made, you know, like switchbacks and stuff to get up it. You're not just going to go straight up the mountain. They're just too steep and rugged. Oh well, we can say we did this one. And look at the rocks. I'm telling you. That's how you put the Trail 125 to a challenge, going up this thing here. Put to the mountain test on the CT125, because it's a workout for this little bike. It does the best it can do. Here's that rock I came up on earlier. Had to hit it head on, just kind of try to find a little edge to go around the thing. And these are some big old rocks. You can't straddle them or run over them. I mean, you case it. It's just too much. Too rough. $300L, I couldn't have went no further. Just to that turnaround spot. So, wouldn't have gained anything on it. Somebody's got a little trail here. Yeah, it's just going around one of the rough sections is all it's doing. It's cool I got the Garmin Tread 2 on here. So it doesn't really matter if you have the Tread 2 or the Zumo 2. For the most part, they're about the same. There's some more features, of course, on the Tread 2. USGS trails and stuff like that, but dust rating is way higher. It's got a dust rating on it. Anyway, I should say. So yeah, it's better for the off-road stuff, but I used the Garmin Zumo XT for years with zero issues out in this kind of stuff in Missouri, and here some. And then I got the Garmin Zumo XT2, and so I say it's just as good as this Tread 2 in my opinion. Never had an issue. It's an extremely good GPS. I wouldn't want to do without one. And then I got this Tread 2. But I use the Zumo XT2 on the Gold Wing. I mean, I can switch it on here because I have the adapters, or I should say the mounts on all three bikes, so I can just swap any of them wherever I want. But smooth. It was. That didn't last long. This is a crazy rough little trail. Look at that. Ain't no way to go through that. That's the trail where it was. Washed out. Extremely washed out. Rutted like crazy. And it went on down through there, looks like. It's still rutted. Let's see. I don't know if there's a way to get back to that part or not. People think that the Trail 125 won't go nowhere, because it will. It is a little trail bike. I mean, it is off-road capable. It's not a scooter. Some people say it's a scooter, but it's absolutely not a scooter. But it does have limitations. I ain't saying it to go anywhere. The old Honda Trail 110, like I used to have, now that one would pretty much, it was a real belly goat. Uh-oh, what's this? This is a different way down. Holy cow. I'm going to do it. I mean, it is. I know it looks flat, but guys, ooh, I better go this way. It's like rutted and super steep. I'm glad I didn't choose to go up this way. Holy cow. Whoa. Yeah. Get up in these canyons, up in these mountains, and it usually gets extremely rough. Now I do air my tires down on this to 15 psi, 22 on the paved roads, 15 out here. That's where I went up earlier. But it makes a lot of difference airing down on this thing, and it makes a lot of difference on the paved road airing up too. Somebody been shooting bullets into the tree. Wow, this is a rough trail. Definitely put the Trail 125 through its paces. Wow, we are pretty much under the, right here where they're going to the bridge. Look at that. Super cool. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm going to get off here. God bless you all. Thank you all for watching. As I said before my videos, all my links are below. So for these cameras, the drone, everything that I use, my gear, this MSR gear, which I love, is in the description below. If you guys want to help support the channel, use my links. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.